Bonjour à tous, welcome back to my French learning channel. Today we are going to take TEF Writing Expression, that is Section A. In Section A we need to extend newspaper article in 80 words, in at least 80 words. So we use past tense to write this article. Let us take one example here. This is a sentence given to us from newspaper. We need to extend it like a story, like a coherent and realistic story. So let us understand this. Samedi dernier, un automobiliste a eu un accident sur l'autoroute A40. So what it means is last Saturday, a driver had an accident on major autoroute, that is the number A40, any imaginary number. Now how we can extend it in the form of a story. So let us narrate few ideas, right, in past tense. We need to write this task in at least 80 words, at least. Second thing is, always use past tense to write. So in past tense, what are the three forms that we need to use? One is passé composé. Passé composé for completed events. All those events which are complete, we are telling with the help of passé composé. Second one is imperfect. Imperfect means we tell about background. Okay, so tell about background of that incident or accident in imperfect. Third form is pluscuperfect. So pluscuperfect is used when we tell any point of time in past tense, like any event before another. Any one event it happened before another event. So we use these three forms of past tense. Then what could have happened there, right? Sa voiture a percuté un arbre après avoir dévié de la route, provoquant un embouteillage important. It hit the tree right after deviating after veering off the road, and it led to traffic jam. So similarly, we will keep on adding sentences. Medical services were there, firefighters were there. So les secours sont arrivés après cet accident. Always write this article, extend this article pairwise. Paragraph 1. What it should include? What happened? Okay, so what happened we describe in paragraph 1. Now in paragraph 2, so what is paragraph 2? Giving details to it. In second paragraph we will say who else was involved, right? What the police was doing, right? Talking about police or any other services like medical services, right? And in the paragraph 3, so we will talk about some kind of investigation is happening there, right? So we need to use different paragraphs to write, to extend this newspaper article. And always we need to write in past tense, because something that has already happened in the past that we are narrating. So it's not a kind of a real story that we are going to narrate, but we try to make it very logical and connected to the topic. So task time will be given to you, that is 25 minutes. So how you are going to manage your time for this task, this we will learn in the next video. So keep learning and watching my videos.